All right, so now we're down to our top screw piece, and you can see here the part's overall length is 2 5/16, and the largest diameter of the knurled section here is dimensioned as 1 inch. So we're going to use 1 inch round stock to start with, and we're going to skim it by, again, about 15 thousandths before we knurl it in order to achieve a 1 inch diameter after it's knurled. I went ahead and I converted these two fractions into decimals so I would know the distance on the finished part from the end to this shoulder right here. The reason I did that is because in our first op, we're going to be taking a part that is saw cut to 2 3/8, so an extra 32nd on each end of the part. And we're going to chuck that up, and then we're going to turn a 5/8 diameter back 9/16 of an inch, and then we're going to do our skim cut, do our knurl, and then do our chamfer. And that'll be our first op. You'll do that on both parts. On the second op, we will be chucking on the 5/8 diameter here, not worrying about the jaw marks that we may be putting in the part, because our finished spherical ball feature is actually 9/16, not 5/8 of an inch. So that'll be okay. But this surface right here will be bearing against the face of the jaws, so the knurling and the chamfer must be in place before we take the part out of our first chucking. Alright, I got the part, it's dialed in. Again, I cut it about a 1/16 over the finished length. So now I'm going to face the part, run down, make a mark to where I know where to stop my 0.985 diameter section that I'm going to turn in preparation for the knurling, and then I'll turn down what will eventually be my spherical ball feature that is 5/8 diameter and 9/16 long. Alright, so now I'm going to do this grooving operation. The diameter is going to go down to 3/8 of an inch, and the width on the print is calling for a 5/32, which equals out to a 0.156. I'm going to use the 3/32 radius tool, and I want you to use the same tool that you made for your threading project in MASP 111. So we're going to end up with a groove that's 0.187 wide instead of 0.156 wide, which that's fine with me. So I should be at a 1/2 inch right now. 497. That'll work. I stopped a couple thousand short, so I should be right at 375. 376, 375, that's good. Okay, we got the knurling tool in position. I just kind of pinched it with my fingers, ran down the adjustment screw till it looks pretty good. We're gonna lubricate everything. Once again, all the components were cleaned in between now and the last time that I knurled. And I'm just going to hand feed to the left a short distance after I get a good knurl to develop. Looks good. All right, last step is going to be to chamfer that shoulder right here, and then we'll be ready for op 2. Ready for op 2.